right, Mr. Doug, this is your Pro LP processor before the hot shot truck gets here. Figured a Christmas bow would be advantageous here. 'Tis the season, so just got her all cleaned up, got that Pennsylvania, New York salt all washed off of it. So we have your owner's manual, your paid receipt, and your paid invoice. Two spare chains that go with it. So these are from Gem, but it's the same number for Oregon. It's that 18HX, and then it's just a 60 or probably an O68E for Oregon on that one. But yeah, cleaned up pretty nice. Just waiting for the gooseneck to get here, and we'll get it loaded up and sent off to you. So I just wanted to, while I'm thinking about it, wanted to say happy birthday, because that was yesterday, and Merry Christmas. Heck of a stocking stuffer, sir. Heck of a stocking stuffer. Well, we'll get the next video, hopefully up on the deck of the trailer, so you know what it looks like coming to you. All right, Mr. Doug, have something down there, preferably with the hitch plate on it. I know you've got that little Kubota SCL 1000, so that's all we used. He dropped his ramps and just lowered the jacks all the way, so that is just about on the ground, because you got to pretty much make the hitch kiss the dirt, otherwise the conveyor drags a little bit. But all four corners are chained down. Driver's got your Ziploc bag with the owner's manual through a chain, or a strap I should say, over the conveyor for you. And there you have it. He'll see you tomorrow. All right, well, you guys know the drill. If there's anything we can get you a sales quote on, it's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. And Mr. Doug, again, thank you. Happy birthday and Merry Christmas, my friend. Heck of a present coming on a real big Santa sleigh. See you all next time. Thanks for watching.